Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Windows applications in Ubuntu. We're going to first open our terminal because we're going to need some additional tools in order for us to be able to use those applications, since exe files for Windows are not native to Linux. Now in our terminal, before we install any new tools, we're going to first update our repositories with this following command as good practice. And because the tool we're going to be using today is a Flatpak, Ubuntu does not natively support Flatpak, so I just included two commands you're going to need to install a Flatpak. Once installed, you're going to need one more command to install the Flatpak libraries. Now that you're ready, you can finally install our tool today, which is called Bottles. I prefer to use Bottles because it combines both Wine and Proton, which are two separate applications that can also assist in running Windows applications, but Bottles is sort of an all-in-one tool that you can use to run Windows programs on Linux. Open the app and go through each of the startup steps. Once in the main menu, click the plus sign in the top left-hand corner to create your first bottle. A bottle is a containerized environment for running applications, so you're going to give that environment a name and you're going to select the type of application you're going to be running it, whether it's productivity applications or gaming applications. And then it will go ahead and create the environment for you. Once setup is complete, it will appear in the main menu of the application. Select your bottle and click on Browse to open up the exe file that you have prepared to install. Select your bottle again, and that should open up the installer for your application. Go through the installation steps, and by the end of it, as we can see, we should have a working Windows application. In this case, it's No++ for your Linux distribution. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like the content, please like, comment, or subscribe.